Hi sir, good day. I'm Cadet Stephanie CABATAñA from BSMT, 3rd year, Section Antares. And sir, for this video, we are going to familiarize the GMDSS equipments. So sir, first, we have our first equipment, the VHF. So sir, the VHF or the Very High Frequency Radio is the ITU designation for the range of radio frequency electromagnetic waves from 30 to 300 MHz with corresponding wavelengths of 10 meters to 1 meter. So the main uses of VHF radio are distress calling and safety. So this includes ship-to-shore communications and communications between vessels to other bridges. And it is important because it will provide reliable and instant communication with other boats, the Coast Guard, and the marine authorities. Next we have our next equipment, the MFHF. So sir, the MFHF radio or medium and high frequency radio is a high-tech equipment designed for receiving and transmitting messages between vessels in the medium and high frequency range. So the medium frequency covers the range of 300 kHz to 3 MHz and is used for maritime safety information or MSI and digital selective calling or DSC alerts. While the high frequency covers the range of 3 MHz to 30 MHz and is used for long-range voice and data communication, MSI and DSC alerts. Combined medium frequency and high frequency radios can transmit over thousands of nautical miles as the signal can be bounced off the ionosphere to overcome line-of-sight issues. This makes them an ideal tool for ocean-going ships to communicate without the need to pay a service provider for airtime. Next for our next equipment, we have the radio telex. The radio telex is a communication system that handles the transmission and reception of telex messages over a radio. Basically the system consists of the radio telex software and a radio telex module or modem. So the radio telex supports a worldwide ship-to-ship, ship-to-shore, and shore-to-ship communication. Often a coast station acts as a relay between radio telex and an end receiver without any radio telex capabilities. Our next equipment is the Inmarsat-B. The Inmarsat-B is a legacy digital system originally designed to supersede the now Inmarsat-A. So the Inmarsat-B offers digital satellite communication for voice, telex, fax, data, duplex, high-speed data, shore-to-mobile high-speed data, and internet access. So the Inmarsat-B provides voice, data, and fax services at a speed of 9.6 kilobits and high-speed service at 56, 64, or 128 kilobits. So the Inmarsat-B uses a rather large dish antenna which has to be kept pointed to the satellite. Next for our next equipment, we have the Inmarsat-C. The Inmarsat-C is a satellite system which provides two-way data communication to and from virtually anywhere in the world, transmitting messages from ship to shore, shore to ship, and ship to ship. It sends and receives data from across the oceans, including email, SMS, telex, chart, and weather updates. The Inmarsat-C terminals are simple, low-cost units small enough to be hand-carried or fitted to any vessel, vehicle, or aircraft. The system communications via the Inmarsat-C system are data or message-based. For our next equipment we have Fleet 77. The Fleet 77 is fully compliant for global maritime distress and safety system. or GMDSS operation in GMDSS Area 3 under IMO Resolution A.88821. The servicer provides a multi-layered priority system allowing distress, urgency, and safety calls to take precedence over non-essential and low-priority regular communications. For our next equipment, sir, we have the NAVTEX. The NAVTEX, sir, is an international automated medium-frequency direct printing service for delivery of navigational and meteorological warnings and forecasts, as well as urgent marine safety information to ships. The NAVTEX receiver, sir, is a narrowband direct printing or NBDP device operating on the frequency of 518 kHz. Some equipment, sir, can also operate on 490 and 4209.5 kHz, and it is a vital part, sir, of the Global Maritime Distress and Safety System, or the GMDSS.